Now let's see addition of a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number with carrying. Okay, 3-digit number with 3-digit number with carrying. Okay, as you know, we always start addition from ones column. So start adding from ones column. 7 plus 6. So 7 is the bigger number. Keep 7 in your mind. 6 on your fingers. Count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So do you write 13 in the ones column directly here? No. We'll write 13 here. Okay. Mark ones column and tens column. Ones column number will go to the ones column. Tens column number will go to the tens column. Do we write 1 here? No. It will go here on the top in the tens column. Okay. Now start addition in tens column. 5 plus 3. 5 in your mind. 3 on your fingers. Count after 5, 6, 7, 8. One number is left here on the top on its head. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 5 in your mind, 3 on your fingers, count after 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, after finishing in tens column, we come to the hundreds column for addition. So 2 plus 1, 2 in your mind, 1 on your finger, count after 2, 1 is 3. The answer is, or the sum is 393. Here, let's see one more problem. Ones column, tens column and hundreds column, we mark them after the number is given. If it is a 2-digit number, we mark it as ones and tens. If it is a 3-digit number, we get an extra hundreds column as a place value. Okay. Now 8, 8. 8 in your mind, 8 on your fingers, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the number what we got is 16. Mark the ones column and tens column. 6. Tens column number will go to the tens column. Okay. As carrying. Now come. Add the numbers in the tens column now. Come to the tens column. What do we have here? 8, 2, 1. So 8 in your mind. 8 is a bigger number. 8 in your mind. 2 on your fingers. 8. Count after 8, 9, 10. One more number is left. 11. You are not supposed to write number 11 like this here. You will not write 11 here. What do we do? Similar to ones column, we write it to one side. Okay. Then mark here tens column and hundreds column. Tens column number will come to the tens column. Hundreds column number will go to the hundreds column. You have no 2-digit addition, no. Ones column and tens column. You write ones column number in ones column, tens column number in tens column as carrying. Now in tens column also you got 2-digit number. But here also you can't write 2-digit number because you have hundreds column. Here we have a few more numbers to be added. So we take this 2-digit number in tens column to this hundreds column as carrying. That is 1 and 1 as carrying here. Now start adding here. Okay. 7. 7 in your mind. 2 on your fingers, count after 7. 8, 9. One more number is there. 10. There is no another column left on the left hand side. So we write the number 10 directly here. So the answer is 1016. The sum is 1016. Clear, children? Now come to the third problem. Here, start addition from ones column. 5 in your mind, 2 on your fingers, count after 5, 6, 7. There is no 2-digit number. We didn't get any 2-digit number here. So single digit is there. So we write 7 here. Now come to the tens column. 9 plus 2. 9 in your mind, 2 on your fingers, count after 9, 10, 11. Earlier when we had only 2 houses, ones column and tens column, we used to write directly 11 here. But you can't write 11 here because we have one more house here. So what we have to do? We have to write the number to one side. Write the tens column number number here and hundreds column. Mark them as hundreds, tens column and hundreds column. Then this one will go to the tens column place. This one will go to the hundreds column place as carrying. Okay? Understood, children? Now start normal addition in hundreds column. 4 in your mind, 3 on your fingers, count after 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 1, right here as 8. What is the answer? 8, 1, 7. Clear? Come to the fourth problem. Start addition from ones column. 9 is a bigger number, so 9 in your mind. 3 on your fingers, count after 9, 10, 11, 12. So do we write 12 here directly? No. What do? Do we write this 12 to one side? Mark the ones column and tens column because we are adding in ones column, so we got ones column and tens column. So 2 will go here, 1 will come here. Okay? Now 5 is a bigger number here, so 5 in your mind, 4 on your fingers, count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more number is there, 10. We can't write 10 here. Okay? Write 10 here again. Strike this off. If you get confused, you strike this off. Now what will you mark? You will not mark ones column and tens column. What is the place here first? This is the tens column. And this is in hundreds column. Okay? So tens column number will go to the tens column. Hundreds column number will come here as carrying. Understood? Now 5 is a bigger number. 5 in your mind. 3 on your fingers. Count after 5, 6, 7, 8. One more number. 9. So the answer is 9, 0, 2. Or the sum is 9, 0, 2. What is the sign of addition? Plus. Answer in the addition is called sum. The numbers which we are adding are called, what are they called? Addends. What are they called? Addends. Clear, children? So this is addition of a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number with carrying. Okay? Hope you understood. Take care.